Meaning of disorderly.
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 Disorderly. The word disorderly refers to a state of being chaotic, unruly, and disorganized. When something is described as disorderly, it typically implies that it is lacking in order or discipline and may be disruptive or unpredictable. Disorderly behavior can manifest in various ways, such as loud and disruptive actions, disorganized and cluttered surroundings, or erratic and unpredictable behavior. The result of disorderly behavior is often confusion, disruption, and a sense of unease or discomfort for those involved. Overall, disorderly behavior can have negative consequences and should be avoided whenever possible.